What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheyenne. If you haven't been to my channel, welcome. This is going to be a great review. Self-bought review as usual, because all of my videos, I have bought all of the products in them. And just like this review, I bought this product. And today we're going to review the Dermasuction pore cleaning device. That's how they call it. It's Dermasuction pore cleaning device. I bought this at my local Walgreens, and it was about 20 bucks at Walgreens. This is how it comes. This is what it looks like. You get your Dermasuction tool. You got 4 heads. FYI, this does not come with batteries. You got to get your own 2 AA batteries. I don't know why they're doing that. Back in the day, you used to get batteries with everything, but apparently not. No more. Ooh. Look. Okay. Come on, scarf. My scarf playing with me. It's twisting today. You guys, I got this scarf at Target. This is the regular body neck scarf. And my earrings are from my local beauty supply store. It is actually wood. It is wood. It smells like wood. It's straight up wood. So, yeah. Anyway, back to our review. This is the Dermasuction tool. It's like a little regular. It looks like a banana. It looks like a banana. But anyway, it comes with 4 heads, as I stated. And I'm going to read the heads to you. It tells you on the box what they do. The first head, the small head, is for gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. The large head is strong suction, perfect for blackheads. The oval head is an oval opening, which is the one that comes on it, for getting into corners of nose and mouth. And the sonic head helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from the skin. So this thing has 2 settings. That's the low setting. And then if you go all the way up, that's the high setting. So you can hear the difference. That's how that works. And we're going to go through and see if this really works. Now, I recorded this video like a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, and my camera was not on record. It was not on record. So I'm gonna do this like I didn't just do this 2 minutes ago. So we're gonna start with the one. It comes with the overhead already on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off, and we're gonna start with the small head, which is, it says it's perfect for everyday use. And I'm gonna just go straight to the high setting so I can see how they work. It does suction your skin into the hole, so there's enough power where it actually grabs and sucks your skin. And when they say this one is perfect for everyday use, because you don't really feel anything. I don't really feel it doing too much. I don't really see nothing in there. This one it ain't really pulling out nothing. So also before you start, make sure you steam your face. Like, get a hot towel. What I did was I stuck a towel under running hot water, as hot as it can get, let it sit in there, and then I put the towel on my face, let the steam open up my pores. The steam will open up your pores. That way it's easier for this to suck out the dirt and the oil, the sebum, all of that in your pores. So make sure y'all do that. Next in the box is the exfoliating one. So let's see what the exfoliating one does. Oh shit. Okay. Ooh. This is like really exfoliating. I don't know if y'all have ever like used one of those like petty things, the Petty Hill exfoliating scrubber. That's what this feels like. That's what this is on the edge of, when you go get a pedicure and they scrub the end of your feet. That's what this feels like. So this would be great on like your facial day. I would say that, like the day that you do your mask and all of that stuff, this will be great for that. Let's go to the large head. Here's what the large head looks like. It's really big. It says strong suction, perfect for blackheads. I don't wish my skin was dirty today, but I wish I had more dirt clogged in my pores so I can show y'all what this tool really can do. But today, luckily, just one of them good phase days, I don't. My pores are large today, but they're not dirty. They're not clogged. So, I don't know. So, it pulled out a little bit of dirt, a little bit of sebum. But like I said, I don't have bad, I have okay skin today. It's not the worst it could be. And then again, it's 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. So this will be perfect to use after a day, a full day out, to where your skin is oily, where you've like had moisturizer on your face all day or makeup on your face all day, and you just cleaned your face. This will be perfect to use after that. I'm using this where I haven't been out like that this morning. All I did was go and get breakfast this morning. So my skin isn't really oily yet. It hasn't gotten oil in my pores yet. So I'm gonna try to show y'all what I can show y'all. But like I was saying, this will be great because it does work. I can feel it pulling, you know, suctioning my skin. So it would work just after a long day, after you clean your makeup. Because once you clean your makeup, when you're cleaning it with makeup remover, face towel makeup removers, even the little exfoliating brushes with the bristles on it, that cleans the surface level of your skin. That's not really getting into your pores, because how are you suctioning out your pores, right? And most of us, we squeeze our nose. I know I do all the time because I hate seeing my pores dirty, especially me being red most of the time and like this peachy tan color that I am. I could see my pores getting clogged. So we're gonna try the overhead now. And it says it's good for like your mouth area and in the creases, so like your nose creases and stuff. So let's see if this works. Oh. Okay, sis. Wait a god dang on minute. Y'all. This damn thing works. This damn thing works. Oh my god. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that sebum? Y'all see that sebum and oil and dirt, right? Oh. This oval one is the truth. Let's see if it'll get under my nose. Now, I was sick all this week, so I'm really dry right here underneath my nose right now. So if I sound nasally, that's why, because I was really sick this week. I had a cold. But sis, if this thing works, bruh, this thing works, y'all. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that right there? Oh my god. Okay. Me, I can deal with my nose, but it's painful to try and like clean my pores around my mouth, especially the corner part. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know the faces I'm making right now are probably hilarious. Bruh, y'all, this shit is like building up. Oh my god. Let's see about my chin, because my chin is pretty bad. Your chin is always bad. It is working. Okay, y'all see all of that in there? Do y'all see all of that in there? Look. Okay. I'm about to do my review. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for this one, okay? And the reason why I always say 9 and not 10 out of 10 is because, baby, Where the batteries at? Why y'all didn't provide batteries? Nobody want to buy batteries, especially only 2 batteries. Batteries don't even come in a pack of 2 like that no more. They normally come in a pack of 4, 6, 8, 10. Like, so yeah, I got a star, whatever you want to call it, points off of that. Who is this by? Bulb Head. Okay, it is a Bulb Head product, which Bulb Head normally makes all of those, like, as you've seen on TV products. Sis, this is the truth. This is the truth. You ain't gotta squeeze your nose no more. And that shit hurt. That shit hurt. Because I be doing it because I hate my pores being clogged in my nose. But Dermasuction suction head tool is the truth. Go buy you one. 9 out of 10 is my review, because it's only about $20 at your local Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, any place that sells the as you've seen on TV products. Go buy one. Now, I also only give it a 9 out of 10 because my skin, I'm red. It hurts a little bit, this little after effect. And that's because you don't do this to your skin all the time. For people who probably go get facials, the actual dermatologist facials, they're probably used to this feeling. But if you have never gotten like an actual facial, you won't be used to this feeling. It might be a little painful, a little bit, not painful, but a little tingling, uncomfortability. That's how it feels. But anyway, 9 times out of 10 is what I give it. Great tool. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if you bought one before. Let me know your experience. Tell me if you bought one and you loved your experience, what you did, what I should try, because I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this in my face cleaning routine. So tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Look in the description box for all the deets to it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Stay tuned for the next review I'm going to be doing. Y'all have a great day. Peace. Okay, so